When we purchased the Pilote, we didn't realise that the solar panel would only charge the leisure battery and not the vehicle battery. Of course, it's not the solar panel that determines which vehicle battery is going to be charged. The original Pilote control panel was found to be faulty, and so we had another fitted by the dealer. This new panel was set to only charge the leisure battery and not the vehicle battery. As you will see here, when I press the screen to switch to the vehicle battery, it doesn't show any charge. That's not because the vehicle battery is only at 0.1 volts, it's just that the panel is not set to charge it and is not connected to it. So we needed something that would charge the vehicle battery when we were parked, not only when we were driving. The apparent solution was not to connect this panel to the vehicle battery, but to provide another device which would charge the vehicle battery from the solar panel. So as you can see here, I put a meter on and the vehicle battery is standing at around 11.9 volts. Underneath the seats, next to the leisure battery, the dealer fitted an MPPT charger, which solely charges the vehicle battery from the solar panel. It could be connected, if we didn't have the original panel, to charge the leisure battery too from the solar panel. But as it's fitted here, it just charges the vehicle battery when it drops below 12.5 volts, provided that there is enough sunlight to activate the system. As you can see here, the Pilote wiring is quite interesting, so finding a fault is rather difficult for a novice. Our previous motorhome, an Auto Trail, was seamless in its operation and charged both batteries successfully without any trouble. If we're not running the engine for some time and we want to charge the vehicle battery, we have been provided with this C-Tech inline charger, which simply plugs into a socket in the motorhome, and when we're on electric hookup it is then linked through to the battery and seems to work quite well. It also conditions the battery in a similar way to the MPPT. So what do you think to this system? How does your motorhome charge both batteries? Do you think this system is over fussy, and could you work with it? Let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.